Okay, coming at you with a new video for a vegan BLT. We are using Dave's Killer Bread, Light Life Smart Bacon. We're using Hellman's Vegan Mayo, some kosher pickles, some tomatoes, lettuce, whatever type of lettuce you like. And then we're going to use this Delicio bacon seasoning. It's supposed to be great, so we're going to try that out today. And then we are going to use the cheddar slices that are plant-based by Violife. So now that we're getting started, we're going to put a little vegetable oil in the pan. You can use whatever oil that you have at home. This is what I had at home, so that's just what I use. But I would probably recommend like coconut oil if you're going a healthier route. So this is the Smart Life bacon. It says on the back to cook it for about 3 minutes, turning it once. So we're going to go ahead and do that. It comes with about 14 slices in there. So you're really getting a good bang for your buck. I think it was maybe $3.99 at the store. I can't remember. It wasn't too much money. So I'm just going to take the slices and lay them in the pan while the pan heats up. And what I like about this is that it looks like turkey bacon. If you've ever had turkey bacon, you would still like this product. Now, I can't say that it compares to having pork bacon, but hey, we're going to put some bacon seasoning on there on each side. I'm just going to wait and flip it and then put it on the other side. So we're just going to let that cook up. And you see it sizzling just like regular bacon. It looks pretty good, getting ready to make this BLT. So I'm about to flip it and season the other side with the bacon seasoning. And you can see that I had one little piece break on me. But other than that, it's typical turkey bacon. That's what it looks like to me. So now we're going to take our Dave's Killer Bread and get us 2 slices out of there and use some of the vegan mayo. I'm very organized when I'm making my sandwich, right? So we're going to get some of the vegan mayo from Hellman's, and I like a hefty amount of mayo on my bread. That's just me personally, but everybody's not like that. So you're going to see me dip it a couple of times and make sure that it's a good hefty amount on each side of the bread. Okay, can't have any dry bread over here. Okay, so now that we have our mayo all spread out, I'm going to salt and pepper the bread a little bit. Use a little kosher salt. I like to pour it in my hand first because I can't actually see how much salt I'm actually applying. I'm going to use some fresh cracked pepper on there. And then I'm going to use some ground turmeric because I put ground turmeric on everything. And then I'm going to put a little bit more of the bacon seasoning on there, okay? So now I'm going to add our tomatoes. I thinly slice my tomatoes. That's just me. Then we're going to put our pickles on there. And we're going to get some lettuce. Now you can use whatever type of lettuce you want. I chose to get the one that was already pre-washed and all that. But again, we're in Rona, so I washed it again. And I'm just going to break it up and put it on my sandwich. And you can put it however you like. And then we're going to go ahead and put the cheese on there. And the good thing about this cheese, I didn't taste a difference. It tastes just like regular cheddar cheese to me. That's just me. But hey, you got to try it at your own risk. Then I'm going to perfectly lay my bacon slices on the sandwich. You see how I lay them with perfection. Let's get a closer look at this. It's just so good. So then I'm going to, put my sandwich together, smash it a little bit. Then we're going to get a knife and, I forgot I had to clean my plate up for you guys. Get a knife, cut it open so you can really see this delicious goodness of a sandwich. Don't that look real? Looks like real meat on there, So then I'm going to take some late July Korean barbecue chips, because you can't have a sandwich without chips or fries. But, I had chips in the house with me. So now you're going to eat. Bon appetit.